I am here with the Wilson Comfort Overgrip, and this is the profile one. So this is a little bit of a different choice here because you either love it or you hate it. I think it has a very deep grooves in there, as you can see, and my fingers tend to move towards the grooves and not so much my preferred way of handling the racket. So I think it's really grippy. It really is. It's not the tackiest. So if you like grip by tackiness, by stickiness, then there are other brands that you can choose. But it is very grippy because you have these structures in there, this profile in there. So I do see that some might prefer this. I think it's a little bit of a steeper learning curve coming from not so much textured grips, because it's just, I like to handle my racket in a certain way, and then these grooves just make my fingers move around just a little bit to more accommodate the grip than my fingers. So that's just me, perhaps. It is a very sturdy overgrip, so I do see that some might prefer this to other ones or tacky grips, but that's just my 2 cents, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.